Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Logic Pro X and create a new software instrument track to start programming drums. Load Drum Machine Designer or a Drum Kit Designer patch for full control. Set the project tempo to 120 BPM and the time signature to 4/4 before programming. Choose a quantize grid of 1/16 notes for tight rhythmic control and consistent step placement. Optionally enable low latency mode when tracking live pads to avoid noticeable delay. Save a template with your preferred kit and grid to speed future projects. Place a MIDI region on the drum track and open the piano roll or step sequencer for editing. Draw kicks, snares, and hi-hats on a 1/16 grid to establish the pattern and groove. Program kick on beats 1 and 3 and snare on beats 2 and 4 for basic groove foundation. Use velocity values to control dynamics and apply humanize settings between 10 and 30% for natural variation. Add swing by adjusting the groove slider and use the note repeat for rapid rolls and ghost notes. Layer samples or replace individual hits in Drum Machine Designer to refine your drum timbre. Use EQ to cut mud and boost presence, then apply parallel compression to thicken the kick and glue the kit. Send drums to a bus and use sidechain compression with the bass to create space when needed. Automate fills, velocity, and reverb sends to create movement across the arrangement and program drum machine or drummer fills for transitions. Finally, bounce individual drum tracks as 24-bit WAV stems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.